Hello, my name is Mattias and I'm going to show you how to create a quiz in my Moodle. So I'm going to show you how to create a quiz in Moodle. We start by turning on editing and then we go to where I want the quiz to be. I click add activity or resources and I go to quiz and choose add. I have to give the quiz a name and I choose to expand all to see the settings for the quiz. In this setting I can choose when I want the quiz to be active and for how long. I can choose when to open the quiz, when to close the quiz for the participants. I can also set a time limit for how long they can try out the quiz. In the grade for assignment, I choose how I would like to grade the quiz. In the layout settings, I choose how it should look. I want it to be 5 questions per page maybe, or 10 questions per page. Questions behavior settings, I choose if I want the questions to be shuffled around. And in the review options settings, I choose what I want the students to see. And here are the 2 ones that are important. If these 2 are chosen, then they will see the right answer directly after their try. Maybe you don't want them to find out the right answer before they are finished with the quiz. So these 2 should be unchecked. And then there are some other settings that are not that important. The overall feedback settings is where I show to the students if they have passed the quiz by setting grade boundaries. So for example, if I think the passing grade boundary is 50% of the points, then I put a 50% and tell them that you passed the test. Now I'm ready. I click on save and return to course. So now we have our quiz down here, and if I click on it, the first time I do it, I will get this page and then I choose edit quiz. So then we start to add questions. I already added 1 question, but we're going to add some more. So I click on add, and here I can choose a new question or from the question bank. So if I had questions since earlier, I can use them. A random question will take a random question from your question bank. I choose a new question, and there are a lot of types of questions. The most used are essay, multiple choice, short answers maybe, and true or false. I'm going to show you how to add a true or false. So I click on the question and type and click on add. So I have to come up with a name for the question. This is the second question I do, so I call it question 2. Since it's a true or false, I have to format my questions in a true or false meaning. So I write something for the question. So this is my question, and I can choose default mark, how many points they should get for the question. And you have to choose what is the correct answer. In this case, it's true. You can give feedback for the true response, since this is the correct answer, and this is the feedback for the wrong answer. And I save my changes, and it's easy as that. So this is how you do it when you add questions.